All right, so in order to create a climate graph for an area with two variables, the first thing you're going to need to do is to copy the information in the data table. So I'm just going to highlight it all, and then I'm going to press Control C, which will copy it. And then I'm going to go over to Google Docs and start a new Google Sheet. And in the first cell, I'll click on it and press Control V. Alternatively, if it doesn't copy and paste easily, you can just type it in manually into the Google Sheets. After you've copy and pasted the data into a Google Sheet, select all or the three columns and go to Insert Chart. That will create an automatic chart, but then we're going to have to go through and adjust some of the parameters. Once your chart shows up, you're going to double click in the chart, and that will pop up the chart editor on the right hand side. Scroll through and expand the Series tab. Select the drop-down menu Average Precipitation. And on the right-hand side, or you'll select the axis and you will choose Right Axis. That's going to create a separate axis interval for the right-hand side, which will be the average precipitation, and the left-hand side's axis will be associated with the average temperature. So you end up having a temperature and precipitation, two separate values on the vertical axes. On the left-hand side, it's the temperature, and on the right-hand side, it's the precipitation. If you have any questions, just send me an email.